Hello, my dear family members. Before I start the session, I want to share a good news. That is, along with TCS, Cognizant also going to start their recruitment journey. So start preparing for both. Don't try to skip any company this year, right? Okay, so as you all know, in TCS NQT, you will have two coding questions and you will have 45 or 55 minutes to solve those problems. So for assessment purpose, I will give you a previous year problem. You have to pause the video and try to give the answer in the comment section. So and then check if you are solving the problem in time or not. So here is the problem. The problem is regarding a chocolate factory. So the problem is a chocolate factory is packing chocolates into the packets. The chocolate packets here represent an array ARR of n number of integer values. The task is to find the empty packets of chocolates and push it to the end of the conveyor belt. Right. So you will be given an array and there will be multiple number of chocolates inside the array, right? And just you have to push the zeros at the end, right? And here is the example, you can read it. And here is the sample input, that is the number of chocolate is 7 and the number of the array is given like this, right? So 4501005. So the output is 4519500. That means they have pushed the zeros at the end, and they have, sorry, actually there is a mistake, I think, in this array. I think yes, this should be 9. Okay, everything is fine. So what you have to do, just push the zeros at the end and maintain the order, right? That is 45195 should be at the first, then the zeros will be present at the end, right? And here is the second sample input, that is 6 is the value of n, that is number of chocolates inside array, and these are the values, that is 601802. And what you have to do, just maintain the order of the number chocolates and push all zeros to the end, right? So 618200, right? So just this is a simple task, you have to do it by yourself, right? So that you can be more capable to solve the problem in the during the exam time as well, right? So as many of you have requested me for materials,
So to make you more confident, I have prepared this material in which I have included all the previous year full question set, more than 20 mock tests, interview experiences and many other resources. I'm giving guarantee if you solve two set of papers, then you will get almost all common questions. So if you are interested, then please knock me at my Insta ID techno.uf.
I hope you will try to solve the problem and give the answer in the comment section. So if you want more such content, then please subscribe this channel and share this content with your friend so that they can also get the job. And don't forget to access the playlist of TCS NQT, right? Thank you for today's session.